Hello, it's Mike from Vitreus Art. I'm very happy to be able to introduce our new Garden Glass Art workshop, Dragonflies. It's been a little while getting this ready, sorting out all of the layers and the construction and the right kind of fusing, but we're really happy with the results now. This is an example that our student Gary made. Very nice piece that, and they look really cool in the garden. It's a great way of adding some colour to your garden. As with all of our workshops, everything is provided. The metal rod, all of the glass you need. For instance, this has got iridescent glass on the surface for the wings. That gives it a nice sort of natural shimmer. All of the coloured glass, all of the decorative details you need. And they're fun to make as well. We teach you everything you need to know, how to cut the glass shapes, how to decorate, how to construct the layers in the right order, and then we'll show you how we'll glue the metal rod in afterwards. It's a stainless steel rod, so you can leave it out in the garden all year round. Really nice thing to make for your garden. A little bit different from some of the other garden glass art workshops that we do. Looking forward to teaching this one. Just a half-day workshop, runs from about 1 o'clock to 5 o'clock. And that's enough time to cut all the pieces you need, decorate, get everything layered up, ready to go into the kiln. So we'll teach you how to do all of that stuff. So we'd love to see you in the studio on this new workshop. It's live on the website now, and hope to see you come along, make a dragonfly, have some fun. Bye for now.